Okay, good day to everyone. I am here again to give some reflection video about the program of or what we call the simple neural network program. So I have here using kaggle.com. So I will have here some simple code about the simple neural network. So review. Okay, I will give you some insight about the simple neural network video code. So this code or this video is all about the RNN or simple neural network. So as you can see here, we have the what is application or the program uh, which are trying to model or to solve. As you can see here, we have here the model or the input or ito wala yun. So we have here the data set for this program is generated from deep learning model trained. The data set is about the rainfall prediction using machine learning. So the application of the program which are trying to model and solve is about the rainfall prediction. So we have the different data set here about the rainfall prediction, the test, the train data sets. So I think that is all about rainfall prediction using machine learning. So my assessment in the program in terms of accuracy, reliability, and efficiency. So we can see here the different data sets we have here. I think it's efficient and very reliable since we use different uh, components in machine learning or Python programming. We use TensorFlow, we import sequential or the dense, and we have here the Kaggle input playground series, which is our data set, and also we have here date or date time and date month. So we have here the code here imported the winter, spring, and summer since it is a prediction of rainfall in a different country, in a certain country. So in terms of efficiency, I think it's efficient since they have the different. We have a data set here, and the code in a neural network is very amazing. So we have the different data. And then is sequential. We use the different sequential methods. And the epochs. Yan. I think it's very uh, efficient if we use a different. And also we have the model prediction test. So, so how we can improve the program and activity? So I think in this using Kaggle, it's using this program. I think we have to improve it to to improve it to use so our student will be able to embrace neural networks. I think it's better if the coder or the developer of this code use a simple or place a simple description about the code line for line. So I think to it is better to import to place or the place a simple brief description about the code to for the beginner to easily understand about what is about the code. So because it is very important since this neural network is very uh, sensitive case or sensitive programming language. So I think that's what it is they need to improve. My takeaways in this activity is very helpful to the student, also to the student which is taking this neural network because it is very reliable programming language in terms of prediction. Yan. So it is very helpful and very essential to the students to need or to get this kind of activity so that they cope up or to the trend, and also it helps them in prediction or using if example if they creating some research or planning some research, the using our neural network is very very essential or very important to us. And I think that's all, and thank you for watching.